Hey guys, welcome to Vlogtober day 19. So today I'm gonna be organizing the fridge, the pantry. So pretty much that's I'm gonna be doing, and while I'm doing that, I'm gonna be making rice right now. So my dog is trying to distract me. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time you guys are watching this. And let's go ahead and get this day 19 started. So I'm having a little lunch break because I didn't realize what time it was. So I just started eating. I'm just having some chicken and rice, and I'm gonna be trying a new drink called salsas. I think I'm saying it right. And it's this flavor is the mango passion fruit. I've been seeing this all over like TikTok, on Instagram, YouTube. Even my favorite YouTubers watch it, so I'm thinking if they like it, I probably would like it too. Cause me and them, it's like pretty much a similar taste. So, anyways, I'm gonna try this on camera for you guys. Oh my god! I mainly taste the mango this instead of the passion fruit. I will have this more. I think I have like 3 more of the Celsius.
Is it sparkly?
Is the sparkly
Is it spicy?
No. So this has no sugar, gluten free, non-GMO, and something else, but I can't really see it. I do recommend this flavor, and the next ones I will try it on camera for you guys. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna eat, then I will see you guys later when I'm continuing doing the organizing. The next thing I'm gonna be doing is just organizing the what was I gonna say, the pantry. So the main thing for me is just the spices. So today is just gonna be the spice rack and the fridge. Then maybe tomorrow or Saturday's vlog I will do the bottom half of the pantry, because with the spices is I have is the top 2 shelf is just like bread, sugar, things like that, little things like that. So I don't really need to organize that. Well, I am eventually probably gonna get like bread containers and things like that, hot dog containers, like just organize those like that. But that's gonna be like later, but I don't know when I'm gonna do that. It's probably most likely gonna be after the holidays, because around this time I normally don't shop for myself. So anyways, I'm gonna stop talking and go ahead and eat before my food gets cold, and I will see you guys later when I do the spices. So I just did the pantry. Somewhere in there in the middle I have a Lazy Susan, which I forgot to obviously I forgot to film the whole thing, but I did show you guys like me taking things out, because in order to organize the spice rack and the fridge, I had to take out these stuff, because that's where the spices were, and sauces or whatever else is in there was in those bins. So I really like how the fridge turned out too. I ended up putting all my milks, and we have 2 different kinds of milk. We have one specifically for cooking, which I mainly use. It's rare that I like just have milk, and if I do, I have this nice quick in there, and I have vanilla soak milk that my husband uses for cereal, whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much just everything I'm gonna today. Later, it's just a relaxing day for the rest of the day. I make sure I turn off that light. If you guys could hear in the background, I do have the dishwasher going. So yeah, the rest of the day I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I'm pretty much gonna just laying down on the couch and do nothing for the rest of the day. I just want to like have a little productive morning. Been trying the sausages for you guys because I've been having that in the fridge for so long. If you guys could see in the background that my husband's watching One Piece. So I think the next time you guys gonna see me is when I'm getting up and grabbing a snack. Hey guys, so it's a little bit later. I'm whispering right now because my husband is sleeping. He's taking a little nap. I did promise you guys, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm having to snack on. It's just peanut butter and apple. Sometimes I don't really go for the healthy snacks. Yeah, my apple just keep breaking in here. And those of you who don't know me that well, I love chunky like peanut butter. They're the best. Oh my gosh. So anyways, I'm gonna be snacking on this. Then in a few hours I'm gonna be making dinner. I'm gonna be making ribs. It's not that easy, they're already made. We'll show you guys the ribs, what they look like, the packaging, just in case if you guys see what you guys like, if you guys want to try it. I found these at Costco, so yeah, I'm gonna be making that. And mashed potatoes, and also what else I'm gonna make. I already made rice from earlier today from lunch. So yeah, anyways, I will see you guys when I'm gonna start cooking dinner. Hey guys, so I completely forgot to show you the ribs that I made in the oven. I'm gonna show you what it looks like after. And I made some mashed potatoes too. So yeah, I'm gonna do a taste test for you guys, just a little one. Then after that, I've considered this as date nights. I'm trying to do like Fridays when it's date night, me go out, me stay in. So but oh my god, recommend to try these. I really do. Anyway, so I'm trying to make it like Fridays or date night because it's the end of the week. But I don't know how I'm gonna feel because my time in the month is supposed to come and it's late like always. It's always like a 2 days late, so I don't think nothing of it. Anyways, I'm gonna eat, and I'm gonna be spending time with my husband for the rest of the night, and I will see you guys tomorrow with a whole new vlog. Bye.